Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to revise idioms. What are idioms? Idioms are a type of figurative language which means they are not always meant to be taken literally. Idioms express a particular sentiment, but they do not literally mean what the individual words themselves mean. An idiom is a saying that is specific to a language. For example, an idiom in English does not translate to an idiom in Spanish. Idiom example: the grass is always greener on the other side. This idiom does not literally mean that the other side will always have greener grass. There may not even be a literal other side to the subject at hand, or grass for that matter. The meaning of this idiom is that people think the other person or someone in a different situation has it better or easier than they do. There are thousands of examples of idioms in English alone. Let's explore. As cool as a cucumber, it means to remain very calm. Have your head in the clouds, it means daydreaming. Under the weather, that means not feeling well. Time is money, that means time is as valuable as money. Best thing since sliced bread, that means a certain idea or a plan are good. The early bird catches the worm, that means to succeed you need to start early. Sleep on it, this means to think over something very deeply. It's raining cats and dogs, this means it's raining very heavily. Here is a list of English idioms. Learn them by heart along with their meanings. I'll read the idioms and their meanings for you. Number 1 is well read, meaning well educated and learned. Number 2 is dog's life, meaning miserable and unpleasant life. Number 3, bull's eye, center of the target. Number 4, piece of cake, that means it's very easy. 5, icing on the cake, something that makes a good situation even better. Number 6, fight like cat and dog. It means argue jealously and violently all the time. Number 7, leaps and bounds. That means progressing very quickly. Number 8, play cat and mouse. That means to tease somebody. 9, big mouth. It means someone who talks too much. Number 10, in cold blood. This means in a cruel way. Number 11, hit the road. That means to depart, to go. Now complete the given sentences by adding appropriate idioms. You need to take the idioms in the previous slide and try to complete these sentences with the appropriate idioms. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.